Alright guys, today I'm doing a review of this Enjoy Life Chewy bars, and this is kind of neat because it's apple caramel flavor, but if you look here, it is basically gluten-free, free from priority allergens, and if you take a look here, that's what's the ingredients. If you guys want to read it, pause the video, focus. So there's sugar in there, so keep aware of that. There's sugar, tapioca syrup, quinoa flakes, baking soda, all that stuff. But it is free from, as you can see, wheat, peanuts, milk, casein, soy, eggs, sesame sulfites, lupin, mustard, fish, shellfish, crustacean. So it's pretty cool. It's really clean. So I'm going to do a quick taste test and let's open this up. Okay, so the bars are actually really small, guys. So if you guys want to see how big it is, it's very tiny. So I'm going to open this up and do a taste test right now. Okay, so that's what they look like. And that is chewy. And it does have a nice apple aroma. Actually pretty good, guys. Definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comments, post them below, subscribe to the channel. It is on the sweet side though. Be aware of that. Alright guys, stay tuned for more videos.